train to Harlem 148th Street will arrive in 2 minutes.
The next train to arrive on the downtown track is not in service. Please stand away from the platform edge.
There is an Uptown Express 3 train to Harlem 148th Street. Approaching the station, please stand away from the platform edge. The next Uptown Express 2 train to Wakefield 241st Street will arrive in 7 minutes.
This is a Harlem 148th Street bound 3 express train. The next stop is 125th Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Downtown Express 2 train to Flatbush Avenue, Brooklyn College. Approaching the station, please stand away from the platform edge.
This is a Brooklyn-bound 2 train. The next stop is Central Park North, 110th Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.